1. Which one of the following species has D10 subshell? A. Cu plus 2 ions. B. Zn plus 2 ions. C. Mn metals. D. Cr metals. Hint. A D10 configuration means the d orbital is completely filled. Cu plus 2 is 3d9, Zn plus 2 is 3d10. Mn is 3d5, Cr is 3d5. Correct answer. B. Zn plus 2 ions.
2. Which one is the correct statement about zinc element? 1. It has complete 3D subshell. 2. It is a transition metal. 3. It forms colorless complexes. 4. It can exist in one stable oxidation state A, 1 and 2 only B, 1, 3 and 4 only C, 1 and 4 only D, all are correct. Hint. Zn has 3D configuration, forms colorless complexes, and mainly shows +2 oxidation state. It is not a true transition metal. Correct answer. B. 1, 3 and 4 only or D, all are correct, if consider Zn as transition metal. 3. The electronic configuration of iron cation in the complex, Fe, Cn, 6, -3 ions is A. Ar, 3d6b, Ar, 3d6 1c, Ar, 3d5d, Ar, 3d6 2. Hint. Find oxidation state of Fe. Plus 3 Fe cubed remove electrons from 4s first then 3d. Fe cubed, Ar, 3d to the power of 5. Correct answer. C. Ar, 3d to the power of 5. 4. Why is hexa aquacopper second ion blue in color? A. The dd electronic transition absorbs blue wavelength. B. The dd electronic transition absorbs all wavelengths except blue. C. The dd electronic transition transmits all wavelengths except blue. D. The dd electronic transition absorbs red wavelength and transmits the remaining light. Hint. Transition metal complexes appear colored because they absorb certain wavelengths and transmit the complementary color. Blue color appears when red, orange light is absorbed. Correct answer. D. The dd electronic transition absorbs red wavelength and transmits the remaining light. 5. The cyanide ligand, Cn, ions, can form two complexes with iron. Fe, Cn, 6, 3- and Fe, Cn, 6, 4-. What is the oxidation state of iron in them? A. +2 and +3 respectively. B. +4 and -2 respectively. C. +2 and +4 respectively. D. +3 and +2 respectively. Hint. For Fe, Cn, 6, 3- +3. 4. Fe, Cn, 6, 4- +2. Correct answer. D. +3 and +2 respectively. 6. Transition metals are different from alkali metals and alkaline earth metals. Which statement is incorrect? A. They form colored compounds. B. They show variable oxidation states. C. They have high melting points. D. They are more reactive. Hint. Transition metals are less reactive than group 1 and group 2 metals. Correct answer. D. They are more reactive. 7. The species that can act as ligand in transition metal complex is A. Carbon tetrahydride. B. Hexacarbon hexahydride. C. Na. D. Hexacarbon tetrahydride, OH2. Hint. Ligands must have lone pair electrons to donate. Phenolic oxygen atoms can donate electrons. Correct answer. D. Hexacarbon tetrahydride, OH2. 8. Transition metals show different oxidation states. Which is the most common oxidation state in first row transition elements? A. +2b, +3c, +4d, +7. Hint. First row transition metals often lose 2 4s electrons easily. Correct answer. A. +2. 9. Which property of transition metals is responsible for catalytic behavior? A. They form colored complexes. B. They show variable oxidation states. C. They have high melting points. D. They have high density. Hint. Catalysis occurs because metals can change oxidation states during reaction. Correct answer. B. T. Hay show variable oxidation states. 10. The coordination number of nickel in the complex, Ni, N2, H2O, 2 plus ions is A. 2, B. 4, C, 6, D, 8. Hint, N, ethylene diamine, equals bidentate ligand, 2 donor atoms, 2 N, 4 coordination sites, 2 hydrogen oxide, 2 sites, total equals 6. Correct answer, C, 6. 11. Which one of the following complexes cannot show stereoisomerism? 1. Cu, H2O, 6, 2 plus ions. 2. CuCl4, 2 minus ions. 3. Cu, NH3, 4, H2O, 2 plus ions. 4. Ni, N3, 2 plus ions A, 1, 2 and 3 only B, 1, 3 and 4 only C, 1 and 2 only D, 1 and 4 only. Hint, stereoisomerism occurs only when different ligands allow geometric or optical arrangements. Complexes with all identical ligands cannot show stereoisomerism. 1 and 2 have identical ligands. Correct answer, C, 1 and 2 only. 12. The weakest field ligand among the following is A. Hydrogen oxide, B. Cn ions, C. Nitrogen trihydride, D. O ions. Hint, according to spectrochemical series, Cn- ions greater than NH3 greater than H2O greater than OH- ions. Weakest ligand is at the right side. Correct answer, D. OH ions. 13. The highest oxidation state shown by first-row transition metals is shown by A. Copper, B. Manganese, C. Nickel, D. Cobalt. Hint, the highest oxidation state in the first transition series is +7. Element, Mn, example, KMnO4. Correct answer, B. Manganese.